Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In today's video, we're going to go over a new technique to help you guys with your trading style to see if maybe you can implement a new technique to make you some more money, okay? We're going to be basing it on the one-day candlestick. So let me share with you guys a little bit about what I'm going to show you on the chart in just a second. Basically, what you do is you mark down a certain day's candlestick in preparation for the next morning to be able to trade. And then you're going to be basing your trade off of those zones, okay? So let me go ahead and let me get started. Also, for those of you guys that are into indicators, I've just created two videos on two new indicators that you guys can get for free, and I'll share with you guys where you can get that in just a second. So grab a piece of paper and a pen and get ready to make some notes, all right? All right, let me share my screen with you. Hold on a second. All right, I'm going into trading view. Here we are. I'm going to go to the one-day chart. I'm on Tesla. It doesn't matter what symbol you do. Um, so let me kind of zoom in on this so you guys can see that candlestick. All right. So basically today's Saturday. It's the 21st of February. So I'm going to run it as if it's Thursday. And then we're going to look on Friday and see what would have happened with price to find our entries, okay? So remember, we're going to mark Thursday, last Thursday's candlestick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the little box tool and I'm going to grab it and I'm going to highlight from the top of the wick to the bottom of the wick for that day, for Thursday, okay? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the chart to a 5-minute chart. All right, here we go. Oh, and let me share with you guys where you guys can get those indicators real quick so I don't forget. Let's see here. So if you go after this video, you go to my main, you click on my username, they're right here. I've got a crossover video and I've got another one that is a great one that I just created. You guys can go watch it over there. All right, let me get back to the video. Okay, so as you can see, this is what we just highlighted. This is the full day of last Thursday. Let me blow it up so you can see it. Okay. And let me just make sure that it's all on Thursday. Okay. So what we're going to do next is we're going to pretend that it's Friday morning. We just woke up, we've got our cup of coffee, and we're getting ready to trade. And this is what we're looking at. You're basically seeing this right now, okay? It's Friday morning. This is all you see because you marked down Thursdays. And so we're getting ready to see what happens throughout the day. And what you're going to be looking for is you're going to be looking for price to come either back up to the top or come down to the bottom of this zone. And then you're going to base your trade off of that. So let's see what happened on Friday. And I'm going to mark Friday just so you guys can see the difference between the two. And I'm going to change the color. Okay. There we go. So we've noticed that on a 5-minute candle, that price came down a little bit, made its way back up, and almost exited the zone. It almost exited. And right here, when it started to reverse, that's when we enter our trade. And how do we know where to exit? Okay, so you guys need to go back over to my videos and you need to watch this video right here on supply and demand. Okay, the one over here, right there. You need to go watch that one if you're not familiar with supply and demand. All right, let's see here. So we would enter the trade right here and we would follow it down. But where do we know? Well, if you watched my supply and demand video that I just told you, you want to go to a demand zone because we're at the top and we're making our way down. Okay, so where is that zone? And it is right, let me mark it. It's right here by this big move. And I'm just going to highlight that whole zone and you can see what happened. Basically, you entered it, it came down, it went up a little bit, and then it shot down right into the zone, guys. And that is a quick profit there that you guys could have taken on that short. But all you also, when it turned, you could have ridden it back up into this zone. And let's go see if there is a supply zone. Remember, this is a demand zone here, and up here is the supply zone. And you can see it came right up and it bing, it just touched into this zone right here, and then it reversed again. So these are two trades you could have taken and taken a profit on. Let's see here. We go share, get back over here. So that's it for this video. It's a short little video, but thanks for watching. Remember, guys, if you found something that you were interested in and you liked it, please subscribe and also add a comment down below. Tell me what you guys are trading. If you guys are into any crypto or stocks and you want to get a feel for where price might go, I'll take a look at it and I'll comment back to you guys and let you guys know where I think price might be able to get to. Okay? Thanks for watching. Have a great night, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.